pork loin, y'all. Boned in. Finna cut out some pork chops. Let's get it. So yeah, y'all. Got this pork loin today. Boned in. Finna cut me out some thick cut pork chops. Now as you can see each bone from the bottom. So you know where to cut them in between. Now you can cut them thinner if that's what you like. Hey, but I like to cut mine thick. I love a thick cut pork chop. So anyway, I'll go get me 4 chops out of this. And I should get me a small roast. But hey y'all, remember, hit that thumbs up button for your boy. Subscribe to the channel. And hey, hit that comment section. Leave a comment. But you know what time it is now. Got it rain on them. Got them in with a little salt. Then we come in with this butter garlic. And then we're going to hit them with some cayenne. So let's go ahead and get them into our sous vide bag. Since he's extra thick, I like to sous vide him first. So we're gonna get them in the sous vide machine for 4 hours at 145 degrees. Now when you put your chops in your machine, the only thing you want to be worried about is making sure that they're really not touching each other. As long as they're not touching each other and you're clear from the bottom and clear from the top, you good. Now after 4 hours, let's go ahead and get them out. Get them out, y'all. And let's go ahead and get some color on these now. Of course, we got to pat them dry first. Got to pat them dry before we hit the grill. Oh yeah, listen to that sound getting them on the grill, y'all. Oh my goodness. We gonna eat good in a minute, y'all. Gonna eat good. Now when doing this, you have to realize that your chop is already cooked. Only thing we finna do, get us some grill marks on this bad boy. Get some color on it. And hey, we're gonna be ready to eat. Now of course, halfway through one side, we're gonna do that half turn so we can get that hash mark. Yeah, same thing on this side. We're gonna get our beautiful grill marks on this side. And hey, we're gonna be ready to eat, y'all. Gonna be ready to eat. Oh yeah, good at that little half turn. Oh yeah. Check it out. This is our done pork chop, y'all. Ain't it looking good? Oh my goodness. Let's give it a tasty taste. Look at all that juice, that good juice coming out that chop. I know you see that juice. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this a tasty taste. There we go, y'all. There we go. Oh my, oh my, oh my. So check it, guys. Thanks for checking out the video. Hey, please hit that subscribe button right here. And hey, if you think about it, check out one of these other 2 videos that I already made. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.